Did you know that the tingling sensation in your hands could be a warning sign that your body is suffering silently? Recent research shows that nutritional deficiencies, especially in collagen production, can affect not only your hands but also the strength and health of your legs. And the most curious thing is that many people ignore these signs until the problem becomes serious. The impact of this goes far beyond physical discomfort. It can compromise your mobility, your energy, and even your self-esteem. Scientific studies have already proven that collagen is essential for the structure of joints, muscles, and tissues. And the good news is that it's possible to strengthen your entire body and reduce bothersome symptoms just by adjusting your diet. Imagine regaining firmness in your legs and eliminating that annoying tingling without resorting to expensive or complicated solutions. This is not only possible, it can start today. In today's video, you'll discover 8 collagen-rich food options that will work in your favor every day. Some of them are so simple you probably already have them at home, but you may have never guessed the power they hold. We'll explore practical, tasty choices that fit into any routine, helping to transform your body from the inside out. And stay tuned because food number 5 is surprisingly common, but few people know it's a real boost for collagen and the health of your legs. If you want to say goodbye to tingling and give your body more strength, keep watching, because each tip could be the turning point you've been waiting for. Before we continue, tell me in the comments, have you ever experienced tingling in your hands or legs that lasted more than a few minutes? Share in the comments, because understanding your experience could help others going through the same situation. In the next point, we'll talk about one of the most powerful allies to reverse this scenario: collagen. Many people treat tingling in the hands as something temporary, but this symptom can be a sign that something deeper is happening. Small changes in the nervous system, poor circulation, or even nutritional deficiencies may be behind this sensation. When the body does not receive the right nutrients to keep muscles, nerves, and joints functioning well, signs like this begin to appear, often silently and progressively. Ignoring the problem opens the door for it to progress and bring limitations in the future. The impact is not limited to the hands. The health of the legs can also be compromised, since muscles and joints rely on a good structure to support the body's weight and allow smooth movement. When this foundation begins to weaken, simple tasks like climbing stairs or walking long distances become challenging. At this point, the body sends clear signals that it needs reinforcement. The question is, are you listening to these signals, or are you just trying to get used to them? Studies show that collagen loss after the age of 25 is one of the main factors that accelerate muscle and joint wear. This means that in addition to time, lifestyle can speed up or slow down these effects. Poor nutrition, lack of exercise, and chronic stress are silent enemies that act every day. Imagine, for example, a rubber band. When new, it stretches and easily returns to place. But over time and without care, it loses elasticity and begins to break. This is how our body functions without proper support. The good news is that by identifying the cause of the problem and acting with the right nutrients, it is possible to recover some of this elasticity and restore strength to the hands and legs. The importance of collagen. Collagen is like the cement that keeps the body's structure firm and stable. It is present in muscles, bones, cartilage, tendons, and even the skin. Without it, the entire system begins to lose support, resulting in pain, stiffness, and reduced mobility. What many people don't realize is that the decline in collagen production is natural with age, but it can be worsened by poor habits. This means that the sooner you take care of it, the greater the chances of preserving strength, flexibility, and well-being. Studies from renowned universities have shown that supplementation or increased consumption of collagen-rich foods improves skin elasticity, reduces joint pain, and speeds up muscle recovery. This is because collagen acts as a network that gives shape and stability to the body, allowing tissues to regenerate more efficiently. Think of it as the secret weapon to keeping a body young inside and out. But it's not enough just to consume collagen. You also need to provide the body with nutrients that aid its absorption, such as vitamin C, zinc, and copper. Without these allies, the ingested collagen is not fully utilized. For example, including citrus fruits, nuts, and seeds in your daily routine significantly enhances the effect. This combination of nutrients is like providing not just the bricks, but also the cement and tools to build a solid house. Another important point is that collagen doesn't just benefit hands and legs. It strengthens ligaments, improves posture and supports smoother movements. This directly impacts quality of life, preventing injuries and maintaining mobility. And here's an interesting fact. Even your mood can improve since less pain and more energy reflect on mental health. Now that you know why collagen is so essential, it's time to learn about 8 foods that can become your great allies in keeping hands and legs strong. And pay attention, because the 5th food on this list is so common that you probably have it in your kitchen, but may have never given it the proper value. Food 1. Egg whites. Egg white is practically pure protein, being one of the best sources of proline, an amino acid essential for collagen formation. This compound acts as a building block in the construction and maintenance of tissues, helping to keep muscles firm, joints resilient, and skin more elastic. Due to its easy digestion, the egg white is quickly utilized by the body, making it ideal for those who need muscle recovery and structural strengthening. A study by the National Library of Medicine showed that diets rich in proline improve collagen synthesis, accelerating the regeneration of tendons and cartilage. This is especially important for those who experience frequent leg pain or want to prevent injuries, as collagen acts as a cushion in the joints. In practice, egg whites can be consumed in various ways: boiled for breakfast, as part of an omelet with vegetables, or even used in recipes like protein pancakes. It is an inexpensive, accessible food that easily adapts to different eating habits. Additionally, it contains no fat or cholesterol, making it even more versatile for those seeking a balanced diet. It is worth noting that regular consumption of egg whites, combined with a good intake of vitamin C and minerals, enhances collagen production. In other words, pairing them with citrus fruits or green vegetables can amplify the results. This synergy between nutrients is like giving the body not only the raw material, but also the tools to build strong and healthy structures. Have you ever thought of egg whites as such an important ally for joints and muscles? Comment below, because in the next food, we'll talk about a very popular animal protein source that might be even more powerful than it seems. Lean meats. Food 2. Bone broths. Bone broth is one of the richest sources of natural collagen available. Produced through the slow cooking of bones and cartilage, it releases proteins, minerals, and amino acids that help rebuild tissues, strengthen joints, and improve muscle health. The prolonged cooking ensures all these nutrients are extracted in a concentrated form, creating a highly functional food. Research published in the Journal of Agricultural and Food Chemistry shows that this type of preparation contains collagen in the form of gelatin, which is easily absorbed by the body. Additionally, the broth provides glycine and proline, essential amino acids for tissue regeneration, and maintaining the elasticity of skin and muscles. It's a true fuel for those looking to prevent joint wear and reduce pain. In practice, bone broth can be consumed plain, as a hot drink, or used as a base for soups and stews. To enhance the benefits, it's helpful to include vegetables and natural seasonings during cooking, which not only enrich the flavor but also add vitamins and antioxidants. Those who consume it regularly, especially at night, report improvements in sleep quality and energy levels throughout the day. An important detail is that the quality of the bones directly influences the nutritional value. Using bones from animals raised naturally, without excessive use of hormones and antibiotics, ensures a purer broth with a higher concentration of nutrients. This isn't just fussiness, it's science. Studies indicate that healthy animal rearing results in higher mineral density and a better amino acid profile. And have you tried including bone broth in your routine? Share in the comments if you noticed any difference, because your feedback may inspire others. In the next food, we'll talk about a source that combines collagen and omega-3, and also brings benefits for the heart and circulation. Food 3. Fish and seafood. Fish and seafood are powerful sources of collagen, especially in less valued parts like the skin and bones. Species such as salmon, sardines, tilapia, and even shrimp offer not only collagen but also omega-3, a type of healthy fat that fights inflammation and improves circulation. This combination is essential to keep joints lubricated and muscles well-nourished, aiding both physical performance and pain prevention. A study published in the Journal of Cosmetic Dermatology showed that collagen extracted from fish skin and scales has a higher absorption rate than bovine collagen, thanks to its shorter amino acid chains. This means the body can better harness its benefits, speeding up tissue regeneration and increasing muscle firmness. In daily life, it's easy to include these foods, grilled for lunch, baked for dinner, or even in cold salads. Taking advantage of the fish skin when well prepared boosts collagen intake. For those who enjoy seafood, sautéed shrimp or cooked mussels are also good alternatives, offering a variety of extra nutrients like zinc and selenium. Another interesting point is that regular fish consumption also benefits cardiovascular health, which directly impacts circulation in the extremities, reducing symptoms like tingling in the hands and legs. In other words, by including fish in your diet, you're taking care of your joints, muscles, and heart at the same time. Do you usually eat fish frequently, or does it still rarely appear on your plate? Write in the comments, because in the next food item we will talk about a simple, cheap, and extremely versatile ingredient that can boost your collagen production. Egg whites. Food for lean meats. Lean meats such as chicken, turkey, and low-fat beef cuts are extremely rich sources of collagen and high-quality proteins. These proteins provide essential amino acids like glycine, proline, and hydroxyproline, which form the structural basis of collagen in the body. Therefore, regularly consuming lean meats helps preserve muscle strength, support joints, and maintain tissue firmness. According to a study published in the American Journal of Clinical Nutrition, diets that include lean proteins promote the maintenance of lean mass and bone health, especially in people over 40, when natural collagen production begins to decline. In other words, in addition to supplying the raw material, these meats help slow down the body's natural wear and tear. In everyday life, they can be prepared in various ways. Grilled, boiled, or roasted, avoiding fried foods and excess fat. Pairing lean meat with vitamin C-rich vegetables, such as bell peppers or broccoli, increases collagen absorption and utilization. This simple combination can easily be included in lunch or dinner. Another benefit is that lean meats aid in weight control, as they provide high satiety without excessive calories. This indirectly benefits the joints, since less body weight means less strain on the knees and ankles. It's a double effect, more strength and less pressure on the structures. So in your daily routine, which lean meat appears most on your plate? Chicken, fish, or beef? Share in the comments, because in the next food item we will delve into one of the most underestimated and accessible collagen allies: sugar-free gelatin. Food 5. Sugar-free gelatin. Sugar-free gelatin is one of the most practical and accessible ways to consume hydrolyzed collagen. By undergoing a process that breaks down collagen molecules into smaller particles, its absorption by the body is fast and efficient. This means it can begin working on tissue recovery and joint strengthening shortly after consumption, making it an ally for those seeking visible results in a simple way. A study published in the Journal of Agricultural and Food Chemistry found that the hydrolyzed collagen present in gelatin aids in cartilage regeneration, especially in people with mild to moderate joint pain. Additionally, it helps with skin firmness and elasticity, offering both aesthetic and functional benefits at the same time. In daily life, sugar-free gelatin can be prepared traditionally or enriched with chunks of fruits rich in vitamin C, such as kiwi or strawberries, to boost collagen synthesis. Another option is to use it in more elaborate recipes, like protein mousses, which combine flavor and functionality. Being light, easy to digest, and low in calories, gelatin is also an interesting option for healthy desserts, especially for those who want to maintain their diet without giving up sweets. The key is to choose sugar-free versions or those sweetened with natural options to avoid the inflammatory effect of refined sugar, which harms collagen production. Food 6. Citrus fruits. Citrus fruits such as oranges, lemons, acerola, and kiwi do not contain collagen directly but are essential for the body to produce it. This is because they are extremely rich in vitamin C, a nutrient crucial for collagen synthesis, acting as a kind of trigger for the body to properly use the amino acids that form this protein. Without sufficient vitamin C, even those who consume a lot of collagen may not fully benefit from its potential. In practice, including citrus fruits is simple. A glass of natural orange juice in the morning, freshly squeezed lemon on a salad, or an acerola in the afternoon snack already provides a good daily dose of vitamin C. It is an easy habit to maintain with a direct impact on the health of the skin, joints, and muscles. Another benefit is that these fruits also strengthen the immune system, improve iron absorption, and help control blood pressure. This creates a cascading effect: better circulation, more oxygen reaching the tissues, and consequently, greater regeneration capacity. Food 7. Nuts and seeds. Nuts, walnuts, almonds, pumpkin seeds, and chia are rich in zinc and copper, essential minerals for activating enzymes that stimulate collagen production. Additionally, they provide healthy fats that reduce inflammation and protect the joints. A study in the Journal of Trace Elements in Medicine and Biology showed that zinc deficiency directly impairs collagen formation, reinforcing the importance of this food group. Easy to include in daily routines, they can be eaten plain, mixed with fruits or salads, or even as an ingredient in healthy recipes. Moderation is key as they are calorie-dense, but even small daily portions make a difference for joint and skin health. In the next food, we will discuss a plant group that helps protect the collagen already present in the body. Food 8. Dark green vegetables. Spinach, kale, broccoli, and other dark green vegetables are rich in antioxidants and chlorophyll, which help protect the collagen already in the body from degradation caused by free radicals. Additionally, they provide vitamin C, magnesium, and calcium, nutrients that support muscle and bone health. Research from the Journal of Food Science indicates that the chlorophyll in these vegetables stimulates pro-collagen production, the initial step in collagen formation in the body. In your routine, they can be consumed sautéed in salads, green juices, or soups. They are versatile, nutritious, and also contribute to blood pressure control and improved circulation, which directly benefits hands and legs. Now that you know the 8 foods that strengthen hands and legs, the challenge is to incorporate them into your routine consistently. Change starts in the kitchen, and every meal is an opportunity to care for your joints, muscles, and energy. Imagine walking, climbing stairs, or even exercising without feeling discomfort or tingling. It's possible, and it starts with simple choices. But here's the question: what's the point of knowing what's good for you if you don't apply it? Many people gather information, but keep repeating habits that weaken the body. The difference between those who just watch and those who transform their lives lies in action. So, which of these foods will you put on your plate in your next meal? Another thing, which one do you consume the most today, and which one have you never paid attention to? Answer in the comments, because your experience can help others who also want to strengthen their hands and legs. This is the kind of conversation that can inspire real change. And to keep receiving content like this and learn even more about how to care for your body from the inside out, subscribe to the channel and turn on notifications. We still have a lot to explore about nutrition, strength, and longevity, and you won't want to miss what's coming next.